Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to see AWS EBS volume, how to attach EBS volume in running instance for Windows Server and the Linux servers, how as well as we are going to see how to detach the volumes in running instance. Okay, so let's begin. Login into your AWS console, go to EC2 and come here in Elastic Block Store inside volume. Okay, so I have already created one volume called demo. Okay, but let me show you how to create the volume. Here is the option create volume. Just click out here, give the size of the volume which you want to give. So I given 2 GB, then select the availability zone and go ahead and create the volume. So I have already created this volume. You can see here 2 GB and it is available and not attached to any instance. Okay, so let me show you how to attach in Windows instance. Okay, so I logged in into my Windows instance. You can see here there is no volume attached. Okay, so let's go back, select the volume which you want to attach, click on action, click on attach volume, select the instance. Okay, so you can see here it's giving me Linux as well as web server. Okay, so you can attach to anyone. So let me attach to my web server, which is Windows instance. Click on attach. Okay, now you can see here the volume is attached. Okay, now let's go ahead. So I logged in into my Windows instance. Let me refresh. Okay, so we can see here the volume is not showing. So let's do one thing, go to your local server, computer management, go to disk management. Here you can see the volume, it's showing the volume here. Okay, so simply right click, click on online. Okay, refresh it once. Okay, so you can see here the volume is 2 GB. Now let's format this volume. Okay, now it's ready to give the volume name. Click on your simple volume. Next, give the volume letter. Next, volume name. Finish. So now let's go back and see. Yes, here you can see the volume is attached. Okay, now I want to deattach this volume. Okay, so I got a request. Suppose I got a request from app team that they no longer needed this volume. Okay, so how you are going to deattach? Simply again go back here, select the volume, click on action, deattach volume. Yes, deattach. Click on refresh. See here, the volume is not there. Now let's go back to the server and see what happened out there. Okay, so see, from server also the volume disappear. Okay, now if you want to take a backup, you can take a backup of snapshot of this volume, and you may delete this volume if no longer needed, or if not require the snapshot, you can simply delete the volume as per the request which you received. So here is the option to create a snapshot. Click here and select the volume and take a snapshot. Okay, now how to attach to the Linux server. Okay, so just simply click the simply click the volume, click on action, click on attach volume, select the Linux instance. You can see the volume name will be like this. Okay, then click on attach. Now you can see here it is attached to the Linux instance. Okay, so once it is attached, you can go to a Linux server and type a command df-h or df, and you can see the new volume were attached. Okay, so this is how in today's video. Let me know what topic would you like to see the new demo. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and if you still not subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you.